There's a new monster in the canyon, and it doesn't care about your traditional rock crawling rules. For decades, the recipe for a rock crawler was simple: solid axles, massive low-range gears, and a manual or torque converter auto. But today, we are looking at something that challenges every bit of that status quo. This is the 2026 Can-Am Maverick R X RC. Can-Am didn't just take their flagship desert racer and slap some stickers on it. They went deep into the engineering, regearing the transmission, adding massive 35-inch rubber, and integrating a suspension system that looks like it belongs on a trophy truck. Is this the machine that finally dethrones the Polaris RZR Pro R to become the new king of rock crawling? Let's find out. Before we hit the technical stuff, we have to talk about the power plant. Buried in the back of this 77-inch wide frame is the Rotax 999T, a 999 cubic centimeters turbocharged triple cylinder pumping out a class-leading 240 horsepower. But in the rocks, horsepower isn't the hero, it's the delivery. Unlike almost every other UTV on the market that uses a CVT belt system, the Maverick R uses a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT. If you've ever smelled a burning belt while trying to creep up a vertical ledge, you know the struggle. With the DCT, that's gone. For 2026, the XRC package gets a specialized extra low gear range, borrowed from the heavier 4-seat Maverick R transmission, giving you the ultra-fine throttle control needed for millimeter precision crawling. Take one look at the front end, and you'll see it, the heavy-duty tall-knuckle suspension. This is the Maverick R signature. By moving the upper control arm mounting point high above the tire, Can-Am has achieved industry-leading geometry that minimizes bump steer and maximizes stability. On the XRC, you're looking at 25 inches of travel up front, and a massive 26 inches in the rear. But the real magic is the Smart-Shox technology. These are Fox 3.0 Podium RC2 shocks with Live Valve Gen 3. The system monitors terrain inputs hundreds of times per second, adjusting both compression and rebound on the fly. In the rocks, you want supple. You want the tires to stay glued to the granite. The XRC Smart-Shox can go from plush crawler to stiff desert racer instantly. Combine that with the 18 inches of ground clearance, thanks to the new tire setup, and you have a machine that simply doesn't bottom out where others do. Let's talk about the RC in the name. That stands for rock crawling, and for 2026, Can-Am went big, literally. The XRC comes standard with 35-inch XPS Hammer King tires mounted on 16-inch flow-formed beadlock wheels. Moving to a 35-inch tire from the factory is a game-changer. It increases the approach angle for obstacles and creates a larger contact patch for gripping slick rock. To help the driver turn those massive tires, Can-Am upgraded the steering with a high-torque Gen 2 Tri-Mode Dynamic Power Steering (DPS) and added a Fox steering damper to prevent the wheel from being ripped out of your hands when you hit a sharp ledge. And then, there's the Smart-Lock front differential. This isn't just a locker, it's a computer-controlled brain. In 4WD rock mode, the system uses multiple sensors to predict wheel slip before it even happens, locking the front end instantly when it senses you need that extra pull to clear a summit. Rock crawling is a contact sport. Can-Am knows this. The XRC comes armored to the teeth. Full HD HMW plastic skid plates, HMWP rock sliders, A-arm and trailing arm guards, a front intrusion bar on the cage, and a 4,500 pounds winch with synthetic rope, because even kings get stuck sometimes. Inside the cockpit, you're treated to a 10.25-inch touch screen. While it handles your music and GPS, its most important off-road feature is the camera system. With both front and rear-facing cameras, You can see exactly where your tires are placed on the trail without needing a physical spotter. The interior feels more like a cockpit than a UTV, with 4-point harnesses and a telescoping steering wheel. It's a premium environment, which is good, because at over $35,000 to $45,000 depending on your region and options, you're paying for every bit of that tech. So, is the 2026 Can-Am Maverick R X RC the new king of rock crawling? If your version of rock crawling is high-speed technical trails, steep climbs, and extreme ledges, the answer is a resounding yes. The combination of the 7-speed DCT, the extra low gearing, and those 35-inch Hammer Kings creates a package that is more capable out of the box than many custom-built rigs. Its biggest rival, the Polaris R0 Pro R, still offers a massive 2.0L naturally aspirated engine that some prefer for its linear power. But the Maverick R's tech, its revolutionary suspension geometry, and the depth of the CVT belt make it the most advanced weapon ever built for the rocks.